Hi everyone, my name is Leela. Today I will talk about how to make watering can. Step 1. Find the material. There are bottle water, and screw. Step 2. Put the screw to make the hole. Like this. And finish. And put the water in the bottle water. And finish. Go to garden now. Come here. Enjoy. Ooh. Enjoy. Ooh. It's very heavy. Oh, finish now. Bye bye.